child, you say like this.
You give them
Because
two.
if you're only a driver, then somebody would do like this, then you pick her up. Because that already makes three.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you only pay 10,000 as opposed to one only, and then you have to pick two people, then you pay 20,000. So the child also counts.
Oh, that's the other thing. The currency, 12,000 rupiah makes $1.
How are you going to carry this money? How do you carry the money?
So when you,
3 ringgit, 12,000.
if you take a taxi ride, you have to give the guy.
You're a millionaire there.
We went to the grocery store and the bill was
How many millions?
500,000.
$500,000. You're going, $500,000? Oh yeah. You know, but the biggest thing was, and the 10,000, the 10,000 is the same color as 100,000. So we pulled into our apartment, and the taxi fare was 17,000. So you got to give the guy 20,000. I mean, 20. You know, I mean that's 21,000.
Goodness, you got
So
to
she reached in and she made a mistake. She had 200,000.
Oh no!
I said, wait a minute, what are you doing? That's 100. Oh, she has to hold it up to the light and look and see which one, 10,000
Because
or
there's so
100,000.
many zeros. There's so many zeros. So every time I look at it, I get 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my God!
This guy
that's
turns in his
difficult.
expense account. He went down to he took a taxi and went to some client, visited, sales call, whatever. Comes back, he turns in $2 million. $2 million. You know, $20.
That means you have to carry so much of dollars in your pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's terrible.
And then they got the coin, 500.
500 is equals to what? 5 cents?
No, not
Less
even.
than
Just imagine. 3 ringgit is 12,000.
Oh, that's a lot.
So the 500 is like 1/5 of 1 cent.
What can
You
you
got the
buy?
1 cent, nothing.
You can't
But
buy
what you do,
anything.
oh, that's the other thing that stops traffic. When you're trying to make a turn on a street, right? You're trying to make this turn, you can't get out. So
Like
the guy
come
on-
over here.
So the guy on the corner, he'll come out and stop traffic for you, and
And
then
then he
he'll
asks
tell
money
you,
to you.
and then you roll down your window and you give him these 500 coins.
It's fun though.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It's similar.
You get
to the
used to it
Philippines.
after some time.
So that's why
You get
this
used to
3 in 1. I said, hey, there's the balloon. I'm gonna buy because the balloon looks like a girl, right? Just like a head. So I said, hey Rahim, I tell this driver, I said, Rahim, I'm gonna buy that doll. I put the tudong there, and I put a cap, and I put it in the back seat. That's already
They will realize that it's actually a balloon.
You book a every morning.
so you don't have to pay, and then
I can just see me every morning blowing up this. Okay, where's the tudong?